As one of 50/50 joint venture in China, Chongqing Engine Company, CCEC, was established in the year of 1995, producing Cummins K, M, N series mechanical and electronic engines, covering 11 to 50 liters engines with the power from 145 to 1,656 kilowatts. CCEC engines are widely used in energy, marine, construction machinery, water pump set, and railways applications.
Hi everyone, this is Jasper from PumpMac. In this video, I will introduce CCEC KTA19-P680 pump drive engine. CCEC KTA19-P680 pump drive engine is a 6-cylinder inline engine. The displacement is 18.9 liters. The overall dimensions of CCEC KTA19-P680 pump drive engine is 2,142 mm by 1,067 mm by 1,733 mm, and the net weight is 1,634 kg. CCEC KTA19-P680 pump drive engine comes with PT-STC fuel system and equipped with turbocharger and intercooler. The rated power is 680 horsepower at 1,500 RPM rated speed. The full loaded fuel consumption is about 164 liters per hour. The standard CCEC KTA19-P680 pump drive engine comes with following accessories: PT fuel pump, copper heat exchanger, air-water intercooler, air filter, oil filter, turbocharger, charging alternator, oil pump, starter motor, flywheel housing, fuel filter.
Based on standard pump drive engine, PumpMac provides abundant optional items, mainly including cooling system, engine control panel, NFPA standard engine control panel, air filter, muffler,
DPF,
output shaft, air intake shutoff valve, clutch, DC contactor, jacket water preheater, gearbox, and other customized accessories. With a professional and experienced engineering team, PumpMac also provides customized modification services for all of our customers, such as flywheel and flywheel housing type and size, turbocharger direction, various speed control, etc. We also can provide explosion-proof modification for oil and gas industry customers' requirements, and we have capability to satisfy most of customized requirements on our engine and engine power pack.
committed to providing premium pump-driven power pack to water pump set manufacturers all around the world. PumpMac is a sub-brand of EMAC that focusing on water pump applications. PumpMac's ranges of products are water pump drive engine and accessories, PTO, advanced gearbox, pump head, water pump set, mobile pump trailer, drainage emergency vehicle.
Thank you for your time with us. Welcome to contact PumpMac at any time. For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.pumpmac.com.